Hello YouTube land, welcome to another episode of Jimster 586's Lock Shop. Today we have a little padlock for you. I recall somebody asking me if I had a Wilson-Bohannon padlock, also known as WB. Well, I guess as you can see here, the answer is a resounding yes. This is certainly not a high security lock. I'm not even sure if it's age, but nonetheless we have one WB padlock. Model 659, I would assume. That's what that means. It looks like it was factory stamped. There's your key code right there, above the keyway. You can actually see the pins in here. It's an older padlock. Again, I don't know the age of it. One original key. Turn it right side up. And there's the key code there, 3329. Seems to me like that's upside down, but... So there's your key. Not much to show you here. This certainly is not a high security lock at all. Oh, that's weird. That says 3. I guess it does say 3-3. Okay, it looked to me like 3-8. Wait a minute, the numbers don't match. As you can tell, certainly not a high security lock. A pair of bolt cutters would take this out in probably about a split second. But it did its job at the time. This has been in my family since day one, I would assume. It came courtesy of my great aunt and uncle who were cleaning out their house, and I ended up with it. Original key and all. So let's put the key in. Lock works very nicely. I've never had to lubricate it or do anything else to it. As you can see, it's old school. Definitely not ball bearing, double ball locking. Just a single latch there. Let's see if I can get it so you can see down the hole there. Yep, there you can see the latch piece, latch bolt right there. Oops, try to hold it steady for you while I do this. Doesn't even sound really very secure, but again, at the time it did its job. So I'm assuming that, like I said, that's a model 659 or something, because it looks to me like this was factory stamped. So I'll just open it a couple more times for you. That's going to be about it. I don't have a heck of a lot to show, but it seems to me somebody on YouTube asked me, pardon me, if I had a Wilson-Bohannon lock. And as you can see, the answer is a resounding yes. So I just recently found this. This has been in my possession for probably the last 20 years. It's just been laying around. So I had to search, but I did find it. So there you go. There's a Wilson-Bohannon padlock, complete with original key. Not sure exactly what this hole is. I mean, it's not really a drain hole. That wasn't invented till later. Not to mention it's on the wrong side. The hole's on this side. Can't really see anything down through there either. But this lock's in pretty good shape for its age. It works perfectly. You know, it's a little scratched, dinged, but all in all, it works quite well. So now that we're at 4.5 minutes, put the key back in it, we'll wrap it up. So there's your WB key, Wilson-Bohannon logo there on the lock. And that's about it. So, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.